At least 70% of the trainees are young women, 5% people with disabilities, while the rest are refugees, entrepreneurs, and graduates with employable skills. Kurusum Hasaka, the project manager at Young Africa Works Uganda based at URDT Kagadi, says the 5-year program, which started in 2020 in partnership with the Office of the Prime Minister, covers 20 districts of Midwest Uganda, including refugee settlement camps of Chakatu, Rwamanja, Changwari, and Kiryandongo.
This project in 20 districts and 4 refugee settlements.
The institute has trained over 20,000 youths in 20 districts of Midwestern Uganda and equipped them with skills in carpentry, mechanics, welding, bricklaying, electric installation, hairdressing, tailoring, leather designing, and weaving. Others were trained in beekeeping, animal rearing, fish farming, poultry, and piggery.
We train welders, we train bricklayers, motorcycle mechanics, motor vehicle mechanics, plumbers, domestic electricians, and that is our attention.
The graduates thanked Dr. Mwalimu Musheshe, the founder of the Uganda Rural Development and Training Institute URDT, and MasterCard Foundation for sponsoring their training. They said the training has changed their lives since they now have reliable earnings, with some making a monthly income of between 2 million shillings and over 20 million per year.
Dr. Mwalimu Musheshe ayakozere project eno mali eyambire bayingi etuyambire ko tuweze kuwa inaharakisha programu zake ili tuweze na sisi walimu kupatia wanafunzi ile mafunzo mwakati yenye inahitajika.
Ndi musanyufu kubanga ekitongole kigezezaako okulwana ku baana abavubuka abawala n'abalenzi.
Tubai traininga mashine munengo zo gukora batraininga joinale carpentry joinale na kwega mune kukolesa mashine
nyemu mfuna akasente ngina nenga yiya ngala ditigo tusomesa okuyiya okwekulampulanya ewaka.
Dr. Mwalimu Musheshe founded the URDT Institute in 1993 as a vocational institute, and since inception, it has trained thousands of youths in hands-on skills, enabling young women and men of Africa to have dignified work. The institute operates alongside the only African rural university, Aru, a primary and a secondary school, as well as a community radio station.